The kid in Michigan. Our dog doing that.
I want you to look at this table and chairs. That happened overnight. The dogs don't know what to do. Was it a cold one? Or did you just love it? Come here. Come here. Yeah. Did you love this weather? How'd you guys do in the cold? Huh? Cooper, how'd you do in the snow, buddy? Huh? How'd you do in the snow? You all right? There's the caboose. Luckily yesterday I got it all drained out from our weekend trip just in time to put 1.5 feet of snow on top of it. It'll be fine. I gotta fire up the Bobcat. I wonder if it'll even start. Let's give it a try. I'll reach in here. There's the key. See about the truck. Well, we're going to give it a start, a cold start, in about 1.5 feet of snow. We'll see how she does. Remember, it doesn't have a grid heater, has no heater, and I didn't even plug it in overnight. So we'll see what happens. Well, I know what I did wrong, why it wouldn't start. Yesterday, I came back from Colorado Springs. I went to Kansas, pulling the camper, Colorado Springs. When I got back, I was unloading the sewage into my septic tank, and I let the truck idle for a long time while I was cleaning the camper out, and I ran it out of fuel. I crack open just one of these injectors. A little bit. All right, the number 2 injector right here, and see if we get a little fuel out of there. So I got fuel coming out of all the injectors. I cracked them all. You can see it wet right there, and then I got a little fuel even squirted out and got on the manifold. So they're all sending fuel. So I'm going to tighten them up and see what happens. So I'm getting the last one tightened up here. I did put a little anti-gel added into the tank, and then the nice thing about that fast fuel system is it's always circulating fuel in the tank, and it mixing it up. So I just turned the key on and ran the fast fuel system for a while. We'll see if that helps any. So here we go. Let's try it again. If you would, in the comments, let me know what else I should do. She wants to go. I bled her, but for some reason, I'm gonna let it set for a while. My batteries are about dead, And I got the grid or the block heater in, so I'm gonna let it set for a while and try again in a little bit. I've been plowing snow for a while with the Bobcat. Put the heater on it. Let's give it another try, see what happens. Alright, so here's what I did. I just spun the fuel filter off of the fast fuel system, and I took it and I dumped it all on the ground, and it didn't look like it was gelled up. And then I got back in the truck and started it back up, and it ran. Let me show you. Well, that was a bust. I thought my truck was better than that. I thought it could go in 2 feet of snow. But them street tires aren't cutting it. I'm stuck. So, you better go start the Bobcat back up.